Welcome to Desi Motivation. First of all, thank you guys for your support and love. This is our new initiative to know more about our leaders. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel. What comes into your mind when you hear the name C.V. Raman? The inventor, the explorer, the scientist. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkat Raman, the Indian physicist who made his motherland proud by becoming the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for Physics. So, who is this C.V. Raman? How did he achieve all the things? And what is the story behind him? In this video, we will find out. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkat Raman was born on November 7, 1888, in the city of Tiruchirappalli, Madras. Raman's father was Chandrasekharan Ramanathan Iyer and his mother was Parvati Ammal. His father, initially a school teacher and became a lecturer in mathematics and physics in Visakhapatnam. He displayed a brilliant mind even as a child and passed his matriculation examination when he was just 11. In 1903, aged just 14, Raman set off for great city of Madras, now known as Chennai, to live in a hostel and begin a bachelor's degree at Presidency College. He topped the exam and won a gold medal. 3 years later, he earned his MA degree in 1907. He was deeply interested in science. He appeared for the financial services examination at the insistence of his father. He topped the examination and went to Kolkata in 1907 to join the Indian Finance Department as an Assistant Accountant General. Still, his heart was in scientific research and he began conducting research at the Indian Association of Cultivation of Science during his free time. His job was very hectic, yet he was so dedicated towards science that he often spent nights at research. In 1917, he got the opportunity to join the University of Calcutta as the first Pallied Professor of Physics. Raman happily resigned from his government post to take up this position, though the new job paid much less than the previous one. Such was his dedication to science. During the late 1920s, he experimented on the scattering of light by observing the behavior of monochromatic light, which penetrated transparent materials and fell on spectrograph. This led to the discovery of what come to be known as Raman effect, which is presented at a meeting of scientists in 1928. He won the 1930s Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of the Raman effect, becoming the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in Science. He was honored with the Bharat Ratna, India's first civilian award in 1954 in recognition of his invaluable contribution to the field of science. He was married on 6 May 1907 to Lokasundari Ammal. They had two sons, Chandrasekhara and Radhakrishnan. Raman was very deeply interested in musical instruments such as veena, violin and tabla. A few days before his 83rd birthday, Raman suffered a mild heart attack, but there was a quick recovery. He never dreamt of life without work. He had told his doctor, "I wish to live 100% active and fruitful life." Raman, a seeker of truth throughout his life, passed away on 21st of November 1970. So that's the story of the great C.V. Raman. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in comment section. Thank you.